Shalom Likulam Maslumkem. Guys, for today's vlog, we will learn the conjugation of infinitive verb to throw. In Hebrew, lizrok. Again, pag-aaralan natin kung paano natin ito sasabihin kapag present tense, past tense, and future tense according to the gender. Okay, Bonatkel. Present tense throw for masculine singular, zorek. Ani, zorek. Ata, zorek. Hu, zorek. Present tense throw for feminine singular, zoreket. Ani, zoreket. At, zoreket. He, zoreket. Present tense throw for masculine plural or mixed gender, zorkim. Anachno, zorkim. Atem, zorkim. Hem, zorkim. Present tense throw for feminine plural, zorkot. Anachno, zorkot. Aten, zorkot. Hen, zorkot. Okay guys, now pag-aralan naman natin kung paano natin ito sasabihin kapag past tense. For past tense, through. Zarakti. Zarakta. Zarakt. Zarak. Zarka. Zaraknu. Zaraktem. Zarakten. Zarku. Zarku. Okay guys, now pag-aralan naman natin kung paano natin ito sasabihin kapag future tense. For future tense, will throw. Ani, esruk. Ata, tisrok. At, tisriki. Hu, yizrok. He, tizrok. Anachno, nizrok. Atem, tizriku. Aten, tizgorna. Hem, yizriku. Hen, tizgorna. Okay guys, now pag-aaralan naman natin kung ano ang imperative or ang command. Imperative throw for masculine singular, zrok. Imperative throw for feminine singular, zirki. Imperative throw for masculine plural, zirku. Imperative throw for feminine plural, zrokna. Okay, that's all for today's vlog. Guys, enjoy to learn Hebrew. Please keep learning and watching Hebrew tutorials. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. At sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe, please subscribe na. At huwag rin pong kalilimutan pindutin ang icon bell para lagi kayong ma-notify kapag may bagong upload na videos. Guys, amo naman to dali kolkem ni trai bablog abashili lihitraot.